Puddle lights. Let's install them. So today we're gonna do a quick video. I have puddle lights that I bought from Abstract Ocean, and I'm not sure that you can still buy them. They are the Tesla T and the Model YY. And from what I've seen, they're having trademark infringement rights, so they're not able to sell those anymore. But these are the same type of lights as the regular puddle lights that are brighter, so the installation will be very similar. So if you can't get the T or the Y, because they're no longer available, you can still get the regular brighter lights, which actually really brighten up the area. So we're gonna install these today. I'm gonna show you what it's like. Now, this video right now is gonna be what they are like before. As you can see, the light, they're not that bright. Tried my best to capture it. But after we're done installing, I'll show you what they look like after. So we're gonna put the T's on the front and the Y's on the back door. So we'll have 2 T's in the front, 2 Y's in the back, and we'll see how it looks. So let's look how there's 4 lights, as you can see. And I also got a tool, which I probably could have just used a screwdriver, but there's a tool that I bought also for them. So again, these are from Abstract Ocean. The link's down below. It may not be the link to the T's and the Y's, but the link to the brighter lights. So let's check it out, see if we can get these installed. Okay, so I'm gonna do the passenger side first because it's kind of narrow between my house and the other side, but we'll do all 4. I'll show you those as I do it, more of a time-lapse type thing. But let me show you what we're looking at here. So here's the door, and we're actually looking at right there. That's the light we're gonna be replacing. It's towards the back side of the door. So let's work on trying to get that one out. There are some extenders that they come with. So we have not only the lights, but these extenders there, which apparently you need. So I just figure out which one is the T and which one is the Y. Oh, this one's the T. Huh, T design. All right, let's try to put it on. Okay, so let's see if we can pop this out. Looks like there's a little tab on the side closest to the car. So I'll stick this tool in here that I got from them, which it looks like you could probably just use a screwdriver. It's probably not necessary. Oh, just pops right out. Okay, it is a little short cable. Okay, looks like there's a little tab you have to push in. Oh yeah, and it pops right out. Ooh, so it's making noise. It's kind of like the window went up or down, so I kind of want to make sure that when I'm done, I make sure the window's down before I shut the door, because I don't want to break the window. And I don't know if it went up or down or what it's doing. Okay, so I was wondering why we might need this extender, and it looks like this cable is really short. If you notice, I don't know if you can see that. Not very long. So I think the cable's more for ease of use to help you out so you don't have a problem. So we've got them, so let's use them. So we'll plug it in here first. Alrighty, and then we'll plug in the light. Now, it's interesting to note that this is the original, and this is the new one. And you can see it's much thicker. And there's actually some circuitry in there, so maybe that's what lets it be brighter. So yeah, interesting that they're a lot heftier than the other ones. So let's plug that in. Oop, just made the noise again. And we'll put this up in the hole. Now, oh, which way is the T? So these are not just blank, these are T's and Y's. So checking to make sure I have the T facing the right direction, which I do. I don't want an upside down T. And it just pops right back in. So, all right. So you can't see what it looks like right now because it's not dark enough. But what I'll do is I'll film some video after it gets dark, which shouldn't be in too long, and show you what they look like, both the T and the Y. And then maybe I'll do a side by side because these are supposed to be quite a bit brighter. And with that little, I don't know if you can see, there's a little circuitry. Yeah. Little circuitry in there, so that must be what allows it to be brighter. In fact, let me take this off so you can see. It's nice plastic wrap coating it. Get off. I broke my, no, I didn't break my hand. I sprained my hand in our recent road trip, which you'll see a video coming soon. In fact, it shortened our trip because of it, but not broken. Thought it might have been, but it turned out it wasn't. It's a common occurrence for people when they fall and they put their hand on the ground to brace themselves. So there it is. There's that circuitry in there you can see. So that must be what allows it to make it a lot brighter. So let's go ahead and install the other T, and I'll install the 2 Ys, and then once it's dark, which will be just moments for you, show you what it looks like. But let's go ahead and install the rest of them. That's all 4. So in a moment it'll be dark, and then you'll see what they look like. Once again, those were the Puddle lights from Abstract Ocean. I'll put a link in the description down below. I think they look pretty great. I like them. I mean, I've always liked Puddle lights that have like a design or something, like the Mustang's got the pony. So pretty cool. I think we'll keep them, but I'll keep the other ones just as a backup. And I might even decide to get some of those super bright ones in case I decide I want to trade out and put just regular lights in. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one, which should be the beginning of our road trip to the Oregon coast. Catch you then.